Hi, everybody. I'm David, Director of ADT International Company. Here's our website, adtgroup.net. We concentrate on making the job recruitment platform. You can see my job website here. It works as Uber. It can positioning the location of the candidate and display all the job surrounding the candidate. And we have full application in Android iOS for both candidate and employer. We also make a job portal for university. For example, a lot of job portal here. We make the for the EU, National Economy University. A lot of the job portal here. And our second service is the online training system. We name it Edunow. Now, I will show you our presentation. We name it Edunow, Education and Now. It's the platform, it helps the school to make the online school. Recently, most of school now using Zoom, Google Meet. It can settle the connection between the teacher and student, but it's rather difficult for the school to manage all the online learning content. But if you have this system, you can make the online school. It helps the school to manage entire teaching content. And it also can integrate the online teaching such as the Zoom or conference or the others, and easy to organize exam. Here's the benefit of the school. If you invest, you have your own online school, your own domain name, logo, and server. And you can manage how your teaching content and online teaching activities from top to bottom. And you can recycle your lecture resources. You can design a course and divide in separate class, and it reduces the time for the teacher to prepare the content. And it's easy for the school to make the exam. There are two tools. One is the assignment, the other quiz, and then easy to make the online examination. And you can make the extracurricular training. You can make your structure like this one from bottom, and then a lot of branches, and then below is the teacher. Teacher prepare the lecture, and you can control all the content here. We add the one tool to make your question bank easily. Most of teacher prepare the question bank on the Word file, and you can read this Word file and analyze this and separate the word, separate the formula, and then make a question bank. We use the cloud technology, so it's easy to increase or the downgrade the online user. So it will save your money to hire the server. There are a lot of third party to produce the Edu app, so each school or teacher can find the suitable app and install in the platform. We integrate the proctoring system, so you can make the exam and then it can supervise how the exam process. This system have API available. So if you have programmer, you can upgrade the system or the connect your existing system to this learning system. Here the operation principle. The board operator is the top, and then the department, and then final teacher, and then teacher connect to student, and teacher assistant have both of them. And here's the operation function. You can manage all the system below, and you can issue the certificate after complete the program. For the teacher, create the module and make grading and make question bank and teaching and notify the student. And for student, he's are here to learn, to do exercise, assignment, quiz, and join the group. We use the cloud technology so we can maintain the bandwidth and the online user easily. Now we can go to the what is the system working. For each school, we build the own by domain name choose by the school, and logo and background choose by the school. And now we can log in to see the content. We already localize our language, so we can localize any language in the world. Here you can click the admin and it choose the school. You can change the language setting. Here you see. Here our Vietnamese available. You can add any language. Yeah, you can change here. Now we can go to one course to see the tool. Sorry, you can see how to organize a school. So for the school, we can make the below the branches and department, and each department you add the teacher. You see, and the teacher will create their course here, and then you are the headmaster. Headmaster, you can see all the course in each department. You can control all easily. And now we can go to the course, one course, for example. In one course, it is separated in several modules. You can prepare the first module, and meanwhile, the student studied the first module and you prepare the second one. Is a turn on or turn off. Or maybe you can limit. You see, you can limit if force the student finish the first module and then go to the second module. In one module, you can make the page. You put the video and the image or content here. You create the quiz, create the assignment, and upload the file and make the discussion within one module. Besides this one, you can sorry, I will change to the English language. So we can understand. Yeah. You see, the teacher can make announcement within their course or the inner department or whole school. And also the teacher make a grading for the all the student and insert add the people, remove people, add the teacher assistant or as a student, and make the syllabus, the content and outcome. And here I install the conference. Conference the same the Zoom, but either have some typical different. You can create the conference here, change the time or the no time limit and update. And at the time the teacher can start the conference. You see, it can use a microphone and camera, but now I'm using Zoom, so I can turn it off. You can share the webcam and set screen, but either have a special one with the presentation. You can upload one PDF file, for example, and make a presentation easily. Here, you can see. And also you can share the student can mark in your presentation. It's a very good quality. Now we come to our course and in the setting. You can change the language as I told you before. Here, change language, and you can create the separate section, the class here, and in the people, you can divide people in the your course in separate group, for example. Here the group you see, and you can have some more tool. For example, attendance to control the student in and out, or course analytics. You can analytics it to one student or to whole course or the whole department or whole school. It is some advanced tool to system. I will give you the more advanced tool. For example, the teacher sometimes make the question bank and they use the word file. Sorry, the word file. They prepare like this one. It's one kind of the template. You see here, for example, is a multi-choice and share some picture here, and is a formula. It's a math formula, and you see here physical exercise with some picture. Yeah, true phone, and here is so-called matching is that one, and then use this tool. You can convert to question bank like this one. Yeah. Yeah, you can automate use AI technology, artificial intelligence. You can convert to your question bank. I can show you other example. For example, here is the English test. Yeah, you see several question here, and it can convert to question bank here. You can preview. You see, and I can show you the third example. Here's a mathematics test. A lot of the formula and picture, and you can convert. So it saves your time. Preview. Okay, now I can show you the other tool very interesting to proctoring. Here you see proctoring tool. The student click here and it can supervise the condition, camera, or the mic and other. And if the cursor is okay, it opens the content. And you can see here the video to guide how it can work. So in the room be quiet and without anybody except you. Everything you have need here for the testing. And sit right in front of the camera like this one. And no light behind. System check the computer, check camera, access camera, and other conditions. And then it will take a photo. And good condition for your photo. Increase the QR code, connect to your camera. And then you use your camera to scan your room. And put your camera here. Yeah. Then the proctoring system will open your question and you do the exercise. Do not open any tab or the other software. And do not use any assistant. and do not use any video audio. Bố đang nghiêm, bố đang nghiêm. And the proctor can be here to monitor your screen and your dissemination process. Okay, you can see here is the proctoring. Thank you for your watching.